This video presents asset warranties setup in Dynaway EAM, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can access asset warranties setup through Assisted Setup in Business Central. Press on the cogwheel in the upper right corner and select Assisted Setup. Search for Asset Warranties and select it. Welcome to Dynaway Asset Warranties Setup Wizard. On the first page, you can decide if you want to use a predefined data package or insert your own information. For the purpose of this video guide, we will select Demo's predefined package. Select Next. Here you can create number series for asset warranties and claims. Again, for the purpose of the video, we will set up the default number series. Following that, it's time to set asset warranty statuses. They define the current status of the asset warranty. For instance, statuses like closed, open, or waiting signify different stages. In the table, you can see the data from a predefined package. You're able to delete the lines, but if you wish to include new entries, you need to apply existing data first. To establish a preferred default status, simply mark the box corresponding to your choice. In the subsequent stage of asset warranties setup, you'll need to set claim event types. Claim event types are used on a claim to define the different types of actions taken when processing the claim, for example, calibration or training. The last thing to set up are asset warranties parameters and claims parameters. In the first box, insert the numeric value that designates the notification period, indicating how many days prior to the warranty's expiration the user should receive a notification. The second box is dedicated to the parameters of the claim that specify which claim event type to use when logging events related to work order. After you are done, select Finish. Congratulations, you have completed asset warranties setup.